We all know that hard work is the key to success.
And this has been proved by the students of Cambridge School who appeared for board exams and passed with flying colors.
So let's ask them, how do they feel?
It's indeed a great pleasure once again to announce the ICSE results March 2016 in the 16th consecutive year. And we are very proud to announce Ms. Nandini Mujumdar has topped the school, scoring the score of 98.20 as the highest topper of the school.
I really feel glad and I really want to thank my parents for this success and obviously all my teachers and principal ma'am and chairman sir as well as managing director Madam Grace Pinto for this whatever success I have achieved. It's all for them.
What difficulties did you face while preparing for your board exams?
Difficulties were not as such, but the thing that you have to give a lot of time and you have to be very patient. So that is all, nothing more.
Proud to announce Ms. Yukti Shah at the second place with the percentage 96.80 and Master Manan at the third position with 96.20%.
I feel really proud to be the topper of Cambridge School. I would like to thank my parents, Managing Director Madam Grace Pinto, Chairman Sir, teachers and all the supporting mentors.
What difficulties did you face while preparing for your board exam?
I felt that it was difficult, but yeah, it wasn't with the support of the teachers.
I didn't expect that I would reach to such heights of being among the top 3 of the school, and I'm feeling more happy because my parents are happy of my result.
What difficulties did you face while preparing for your board exams?
In the beginning, as everybody says, like 10th standard board exams are a bit tough, so that just demotivated me a bit. Then as the year progressed, because of the help of my teachers and I overcame all the difficulties, and then you can see the result.
This time the girls have still again done better, and probably this is an example that children have not only done in academics but a true example of Yukti being a YJ, being a Inmuna, being a World Scholars Cup participant, and she has done best to prove herself at the second position. Adding to the list of toppers, I am also happy to announce Ms. Prachi Joshi has scored 100 on 100 marks in commercial studies, and she has topped the school in the commerce stream with an aggregate of 96%.
Scoring 100 in commerce and standing fourth in the class was just totally unexpected. The result came as a surprise. Like on the result, I was so nervous, but when I saw the result, I just could not believe that I had scored so much. It was just a surprise.
Nonetheless, the children are not only doing well in maths and science, but also been doing well in the subjects offered by the board, such as commerce and economics, and they have really done a great job to make the children and the students and the teachers proud of their achievements.
So let's talk to parents of YJ Yukti Shah. How do you feel?
I would like to ask my parents, because I am myself a YJ. How do you feel when your daughter has been a topper of the school?
Firstly, we feel really proud of you, beta. We definitely feel proud of you, and we are really thankful to the school who has given everything to you till date. Whatever you are today is a product of what all the teachers have given you. So you must thank them first. All right.
How do you feel?
I feel very proud, and firstly I would like to thank all the toppers and all the children whoever are studying for 10th standard next year, and congratulations to you as well. I thank principal ma'am, chairman sir, your teachers, your mentors and all the management of the school. Thank you.
I am really very happy for the support which the school has provided, and I want to thank principal ma'am and all the school teachers.
I am feeling quite proud. She had really worked very hard to gain at this level, and I'm really very proud. And I'm very thankful to the principal and to the management and the teachers who had all helped her a lot to reach at this level. And I'm really very thankful and I'm very glad.
I'm very proud of it. When we were in the school, we couldn't reach to that level, but I'm very happy that my son reached to that level and made us very happy.
What message would you like to give to the management?
I want to say the message to everyone that everyone should try their best. Don't motivate themselves. Always motivate by the teachers, school principals, schools, teachers, and cooperative coordinators. Always be confident. Self-confidence should be there. Always, you will be success in your life. That is for sure.
We heartily congratulate to all dear parents, to our dear students, and of course we won't forget the blessings of Almighty and also the platform which is given by our chairman sir and madam to empower the children at every age, at every time. Probably the time which the children spent at the SUPW camp at Delton was one of the most touching memory which they had. The first morale boosted up with the camp, strengthening them till the board examination, getting them ready with the board model timetable, which was one of the most effective tool used by the students to prepare themselves for the board examination.
What tips would you like to give to the students who are appearing this year for board exams?
They should just believe in themselves that the success is theirs and they just need to work hard. That's it.
The only tip would be never feel that you are something less as compared to others. Always have self confidence and keep motivating yourself.
I would just like to tell them that they do not have to get so much depressed about their 10th standard, because all of them tell them like, yeah, it's your 10th standard, you have to be completely concentrated. No, it's not like that. You should have some recreation and some everything. You should have fun too along with your studies.
For this year students, I would like to tell them that they should not actually study the whole day, as all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. And they should be always confident about themselves, and they should prepare as they are preparing for a normal exam.
After interacting with these young achievers, all we can tell is, if you don't have time to do it right,
When will you have time to do it over?
on this inspiring note, this is YJ Mansi.
And this is YJ Kaustubh signing off for Ryan TV from Cambridge School Kandivali, Mumbai.